Hello everyone! So this is just a quick video to show you how to install TensorFlow and NumPy on the new M1. So first you go to this GitHub page here, so github.com/apple/tensorflow_macOS. You go down to Releases, Assets, and then you download this package here. So once this is downloaded and extracted into a folder, you go to your terminal and you make a new folder where you want to run your code from. And I set up a Python 3 environment. So Python 3 -m -venv. I just call it .venv so it's hidden. Alright, and now we execute the script in here with the option -p. So this allows us to specify a virtual environment. So we select the .venv one. Yes, and we're installing. So once this is installed, we can activate the environment and we can test whether we can import TensorFlow. Okay, now we can see if we have the right version here. Alright, there you have it. That's how you install TensorFlow and NumPy on the M1.